Danger might come from anywhere, so you better be prepared. Draw your swords for a combat with life-size weapons, or turn heads with your stunning cosplay. We bring 8 different collapsible weapons that are easy to carry, and you make your costumes feel straight out of your favorite shows. Cut your blacksmith thumb slack and arm yourself for a great adventure. Tell us in the comments below your favorite characters and their weapons of choice, and I see you next time. Boo boo!